Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video, as you can see, I'm making a customized farewell card which one of my schoolmate ordered for her colleague's farewell. For this card, I took an A4 size paper of 160 GSM and folded it into half to make it into a standard card size. Then I started drawing some random flowers here and there. She basically instructed me to make it a pink and a purple colored combination flowers to give it a girlish look. This card is actually a repetition of one of my cards which are made in blue shades. Go and check it out on my Instagram page. The link is in my description box. So it was actually a gift which my friend gave to cherish the memories they had with each other. So if I talk about what stationery I basically used the brush pens, markers, colorful gel pens, outliners, and most important, the white acrylic color to pop out the colors. So let's now enjoy the process. And don't forget to add your logo. After that, I traced the quote I wanted to write with pencil, and then I started doing calligraphy using my most trusted calligraphy pen in 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0, and look how gorgeous it looks. After that, for the inner part of the card, I designed these prints on Canva and printed them on a glossy paper. Then I cut down the paper with my most trusted paper cutter into the shapes they are in and glued them on the card. I did some journaling by using some decorative tapes, colorful papers, rubber stamps, and I also used my alphabetical stamp to write and reflect the love they have for each other, and a note to remember: always use a basic always use a solid base beneath the card before stamping, otherwise the prints will not come the way you wanted. Likewise, it happened in my case. I have to write sister love and the sis it doesn't come how I wanted. So just remember that in your mind. Look how it's coming. Though I just corrected it in the end, but still take cautions. Then I interconnected the flowers with my brown pen, and I trim out the edges into the curved one, though I like that curved part. After the trimming, the card is done. Now it's time for packaging. So for packaging, I took a butter paper and made the envelope out of it for the card, and I always use another and a thicker envelope to secure the hard work I had given. And another note to remember is that if you have a rubber stamp of your logo, don't forget to try it first on some other paper and then pressing it on the designed one. Otherwise, you won't get the desired print. So keep that in mind. And don't forget to add your business card. Either handmade or printed, it doesn't matter. Your work, your love matters the most. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.